Hi, this is Pam from Wood Camper Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a front post half double crochet. If you already know how to do a half double crochet, the only difference is that you're working around the post instead of working in the stitch. This is one of the stitches I use in my Ambleside toque. This pattern's available on my Etsy shop if you want to check it out. So let's get started. We're going to start as we would any half double crochet stitch by yarning over. You can see here I have my post stitch. With the front post, it means that we are inserting our hook from the front of our work to the back of our work and then around the post. I'm going to yarn over and pull through the post. I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete my front post half double crochet. So let's try that again. I'm going to start as I would any half double crochet by yarning over, and I'm going to insert my hook from the front of my work to the back of my work and around my post. I'm going to yarn over and pull through my post. I have 3 loops on my hook, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete my front post half double crochet. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to my channel.